Thank you all for your warm welcome. I would like to congratulate dito sa inyong regional office. Hopefully po, motivate po kayo so we can do more projects dito sa Kamanlagan area.
We at the LGA NCR North Sector Office now have a place that we can actually call our home. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this inauguration and dedication of our new office. This new office, which provides an excellent work environment for the NCR North Sector family, has fueled our motivation.
Pabilisin po natin ang mga break ng babae para magtulungan po natin ang ating ng ating mga kababayan. And mas marami pa po, especially po ito sa Kamanlagan region. Thank you and magandang araw po sa ating